Hi everyone, this is Rajgopal Reddy. Welcome to series of lectures on subject control systems. The subject control system is very interesting and easy, and of course it is important. The reasons are obvious, we will see in future lectures. Let us start with one example. In hot summer, where the temperature around 40 and 42 outside, and I want to be very comfortable, so I'll switch on my air conditioner. The moment you switch on the air conditioner, do you expect that immediately you will get the temperature goes to 20 or 22 degrees, which is very comfortable to me? No. So it takes some time, maybe minutes or seconds, to reduce the temperature from ambient to a desired temperature where I am very much comfortable. And who will decide that? And what will be the factor that will decide? And also, let us say some 10 students will enter into my room, then what will be the temperature? If the temperature is at 20 degrees, will it be at 20 degrees? Or will it increase or decrease? And how can you find that? And these are the some of the problems which we can be addressed very easily in control systems that we will see in our course of the control system. Take another example where, so I want to balance the stick on middle finger. How do I do? And what are the forces applied on this when you are balancing the stick on the middle finger? And how this is similar to inverted pendulum, which is the prototype of a spacecraft which is ready to launch. And these problems also we can address in the control system course. Let us take one example in the automobile vehicle. Let us say I have a car, so I want to make a trip from point A to point B. So when you want to travel from point A to point B, then again, so how long it takes to reach point B, and who will decide that? Let us say there is an upslope and downslope, and also we have the traffic conditions, road conditions. So based on this, then we need to find so the time factor and other factors to reach the point B. So this kind of problems also we can address during the course of control system. Control system play a very important role modern civilization and technology. The modern society expecting things from the scientists and engineers to have more comfortness in their life. Hence, the systems have become more and more complex. Therefore, there are many open-ended problems which are arriving, and the control engineer has to solve those problems, and he play very important role, and his role is going to be very challenging in your future. The systems we come across day-to-day life have one or more other control engineering is involved in. So we can quote many examples like washing machine, refrigerator, a flush tank, traffic signals, aircraft, human body, etc. In all these examples, so some of other control systems are involved in it. We can take any sector of industry where, for example, so if you have a chemical, a petrochemical or power plant industries where my physical variables are temperature, pressure and any other variable. At these industries, we have a control system that are playing very important role. And also there are other sectors like avionics, space technology and weapon systems, robotics, computer automation, as well as a power system automation, and we have machine tool control and all the manufacturing of products, and automatic speed control of drives, both AC and DC drives, and also we have some kind of steering control of ships, whatnot. In all the sectors, and we have control system applications, and control has to play very important role there. So the principles of feedback control theory have been effectively utilized in the problems like inventory control and socio-economic problems and biological problems as well. Therefore, the bottom line is the control system is present everywhere, so it is omnipresent.